Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to share the idea of making my delicious pepper sauce with everyone. Let's get started. With these basic ingredients I'm good to go. So I have ginger here, green chili pepper, green bell pepper, and some onion. So I'll add everything together into my blender. Then I'll add some few ingredients to it before I blend it. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please like and also comment on this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So I have cloves here. I'm just adding 3 pieces of cloves, and I'll also add some black peppercorn before I add my water, and I'll blend everything together. This pepper sauce can be eaten with yam, fried rice, jollof rice, plain rice, banku, kenke, and other dishes. So it's good you have it with you. You can prepare it this way, then you store it in your glass jars or your storage containers and keep in your fridge. It's blending, and after blending, I'll just place my saucepan on fire, then I'll add some little oil to it. And when it heats up, I'll just pour in the blended pepper into it. See how greenish it is? It looks so beautiful. And the taste is just awesome. So I'll keep on stirring it for it not to get stick or bent. If you want to add spices at this stage, you can add. But for me, I'll only add some little salt to it, and I'll give it a stir so that it is well combined. So you can see the moisture in it is totally reduced. So at this point, I'll turn off my flame and allow it to cool down completely before I use it, or I keep it in my storage container and just keep it in my fridge. I hope you try this, and I'll be glad to hear from you after you have tried it. For me, I'm going to eat it right away with jollof rice. Hope to see you next time on this channel. Bye.